scrappers and crafters. Marcia here from Bugmark Creations. I hope you're all doing well. So today I thought I would come by and show you kind of how I make a frog. I'm only doing just the one little part here. This is a brand new technique. It's called Raindrop. So I've already kind of gone ahead. You could probably see all the little dots in there, but I've left a few out. So first off, with your thing, you want to wash it with some isopropyl alcohol and really let it dry, get it all nice. You can spray it with resin release if you want to. It's kind of like a non-stick, but I find that these particular ones I got actually off of Temu work really great, and I didn't actually have to spray it. So I also am using some UV resin, and I have a UV lamp just off to the side here. So basically all we're doing is just putting little dots in it. So I'm just going to put a couple little dots, just one like there and one like there, maybe a little one there, there. Just do that, and then before it goes crazy, I'm going to turn this little light on and just zap it for a few seconds. It's like 6 to 10 seconds, just so it solidifies. It doesn't go anywhere. So there. So that is that, and it's not going anywhere. It's solid. It's not tacky anymore. It's nice. So that's what that looks like. I'm going to put it under for about 2 minutes just to make sure it's completely solid, and then we're going to go ahead and use this really cool shimmer effect. It's kind of a bluey purple color. It looks really purple. To me it looks purple, but to you it looks blue, but it's kind of both. It's really neat. So we're going to use that on this little frog. So I'm going to set this underneath my thing, and I will be back in just a few seconds. All right, guys, so it's done. So now we're going to just do some quick little dabbing. And get on there, and a little bit goes a long way. We're just going to cover over it like this. And you can kind of see the color shift in there already. It looks really nifty. Like, you can kind of see it going different colors. It's going to look fantastic when it gets done. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'll meet you in my other room where we're going to pour some black resin into this. Okay, guys, so I sound hollow because I have a face mask on. I have stirred up my black resin. It sat for a little bit. There's a few little bubbles, but not anything big, but that's the resin. So we are going to start the pour. So I'm just going to do a gentle little pour. I always pour over the stick because it lessens the chance of bigger bubbles. And it's really liquidy, so go so far. And then I take my little heat gun. And what that does is it makes it so it pops all the big bubbles, helps everything flow a little bit better. See, it's nice and flowy now. It gets rid of some of the big bubbles. I'm just kind of moving it around a little bit to help dissipate some of those bubbles. Now what I can do also, which I'm probably going to do just a little bit, is I could spray a little bit of isopropyl. I'm just going to spritz a little bit. Boop. I don't want to spritz too much because it could affect the, yeah, it's going to affect the thing, so I'm not going to do that again. So yeah, I'll just pour some more. we go. Again, stopping every now and then just so I can blow the bubbles, because I can't do the isopropyl because it's going to wreck it. So. That looks really good. It's looking fantastic so far. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, now I have a little bit left. So with this, I'm going to actually scoop into the toes. All right, you guys, so I am going to go away for a little while. I'll come back tomorrow morning. Actually, probably tomorrow afternoon by the time I get to it. And we'll see what it looks like then. Talk to y'all later. Okay, guys, so she is dry and gorgeous. So let's unmold. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. Look at that. She turned out far better than I expected. She looks really blue on the screen, but she's actually super purple. She's very, very purple. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. From one angle, like from above, she looks blue, but from the side, like my view on the side, I'll show you after, she's definitely purple. You guys can kind of see that with the light, all the colors. But that's so cute. Looks like she's actually been rained on. Look at that face. She's adorable. It is perfect. And again, the bottom is black, so look at the colors. She's so cute. All right, so I'll get some colors here, or some colors, get some pictures of her colors. This is absolutely fantastic. She's so cute. Talk to you later. Bye.